Let your skin shine brighter with these simple beauty remedies. You can try a change in hairstyle, like putting up your hair with fancy hair accessories or ribbons. Or, leave it loose. If you have been working hard, soak cotton wool pads in rose water and apply on the eyes. It helps to remove fatigue and induce relaxation. After cleansing, take some ice cubes in a clean napkin and apply on the face for a few seconds at a time. This closes the pores and adds a glow to the face. Ice cubes work well if you are wondering what to do about a few angry red pimples. Hold the ice cube napkin on the pimple for a few seconds. Remove and repeat the procedure 4 or 5 times. Under eye dark circles can be camouflaged with concealer or foundation. In fact, when you apply the foundation, use 2 shades. A lighter one for areas like under the eyes, or down the nose. If you want to create cheek hallows, use a darker tone on the area and on the chin. This helps to contour the face. Another quick fix is to apply a creamy concealer on the eyelids. This provides a base for your eyeshadow and also helps to put on eye makeup smoothly. Then, apply your normal foundation on the rest of the face. It should be close to your normal skin tone. Golden foundation with gold-tinted powder would also be great for night makeup. Smoky eyes are perfect for a gala night. Try this quick method. Use black eyeliner to line the upper eyes, close to the lashes, and also the lower lid. Smudge the line and then apply a dark shadow on the lids. You can also put some glitter over the eyeliner. Another alternative for eye makeup is to use a bronze color shadow on the eyelids. Don't forget to highlight under the brows and on the cheekbones. You may be dead tired after a hard day's work, but to achieve a wide-awake look, use a nude-colored eye pencil to line the lower lids. The eyes immediately look wide and brighter. Whether it is eyeshadow or foundation, remember to blend well. Fake eyelashes, eyelash extensions and even individual lashes are being used to add glamour and make the lashes look longer and thicker. They really help to add that extra touch. Try using an eyelash curler for an attractive effect. Then apply mascara. Most women want fuller lips with a pout. There are all kinds of ways by which one can get lips that pout, but I think it's easiest to take the help of makeup. Light colors and glossy lipsticks make the lips look thicker and fuller. To make lips look fuller, first, apply foundation and light touch of powder to set the foundation. Wait for a few minutes, then outline the lips just outside your normal lip line. To give the illusion of a pout, apply lipstick all over the lips, leaving out the center. Then, apply a lighter colored lip gloss in the center. My gratitude to Ms. Shanaz Hussain, world-renowned beauty expert, for sharing valuable tips. We welcome you to subscribe to our channel, which will help us to inform you as and when we upload a new video.